Shivani from Electronics and Communication Department. The project which I am going to show is a clap switch. As the name suggests, let us see what happens when we clap. Here we have noticed that the LED is glowing as soon as we clap, and the time period for which it glows is for about 4 to 5 seconds. Now let us see the circuit diagram of a clap switch. The main components are electret condenser microphone, 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, 2 BC547 transistors, 1 kilo ohm resistor, 470 ohms resistor, 2.1 μF capacitors, NIT 555 timer which is an IC, 47 kilo ohms resistor, 100 μF capacitor, 330 ohms resistor, LED and a 9 volts battery. Coming to the working of a clap switch, as soon as we clap, the sound signal is entrapped by the electret condenser microphone. Here we have noticed that the sound signal is converted into an electric signal, and this is done by the electret condenser microphone. This electric signal is amplified by both the transistors and sent to the IC, that is the NIT 555 timer, through the 0.1 μF capacitor. The timer has 8 pins and each pin specifies a different function. The first pin is for ground, second for trigger, third for output, fourth for reset, fifth for control voltage, sixth for threshold, 7 for discharge and 8 for VCC. We have noticed that the second pin is for trigger and third for output. As soon as the trigger starts generating a pulse, output is obtained at third pin, and that is the reason why we have connected the LED to the third pin. Here the 100 μF capacitor is responsible for the time period for which the LED glows, and this capacitor discharges through pin 7. When the threshold voltage is higher than the trigger, the pulse ends and the LED stops glowing. The time period for LED can be increased by increasing the value of capacitance which is connected here. If it is a higher value of capacitance, then the LED glows for a longer time, and if it is a lower value of capacitance, it glows for a shorter period of time. The applications of a clap switch are not restricted to just an LED, whereas we can even apply it to a small fan, a motor, or even a buzzer. So depending on the requirement, we can use the clap switch which would satisfy the need. Thank you. Hope you all like the project.